could have been friggin' beacon rushed. I'd be schooling everyone.
That's alright. We're gonna rip them up anyway.
Oh, by the way, this is gonna be my 4th Leo level 10. As you like me saying, going to really rich, you had to start off. Really?
Alright, Mr. Savage, I got something to teach you about dash box. It's all yours. Go get it.
Really? I just got beat. It's already gone again?
Oh. Take cover on the other side of the wreck. Oh, well. Alright, beacon's clear. Go get it.
This dash bot needs a tap.
And if I have to do it on my own, you know, it'll get all over me and I just won't sleep right. I'll keep prosecuting this parasite. Woo, that was tight there for a minute, guys. Okay, Savage is headed at you again. Look out, Holocaust. Man, I gotta show you how to take cover around the back side of that ship, man. You've got it. There's a whole alley behind it.
Yeah, I've been over there.
Man, fuck, I hate armored fuckers. He's got that Bugatti or whatever, right?
Yeah, just keep going.
I'm hitting him with everything I got and it ain't getting in fucking slightest. That's fucking bullshit, man.
It gives after a while. Oh my god, really? Oh my god. Where'd you come from? I'm in trouble.
Coming back to join you guys.
Oh, stormed out and a gust and thunder Leo. So, I got him dead. Thank you. That's how we roll. Well, that's it.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we're gonna lose.
Savage guy's really annoying me, Alpha.
Me too.
I swear. Sheesh. I'm hoping they run out of guys before we run out of clock. Oh, you coward.
On the left over here, that pilot 90.
Coming to join you. Nice job. They're almost out of guys. Hey, hell yeah. Holy crap, we might actually steal this from them.
We just took it from them.
This is how to win a fucking fight. Hell yeah. Rock on.
Close call. That was badass.
That'll be our weekly right there. You watch it.
That was badass. GG.
And you know what's best? I didn't get touched.
Oh, shut up. Yeah, you did. Oh, yeah, you did.
And I got 3 kills too. Look at that. 0 repair cost. Oh, that's cute.
Look at this first guy.
Dude, nice job, man. You hammered him.